Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today we're doing this makeup tutorial. I hope you will enjoy it. I've done my base already because I feel like you've seen me do it so many times that it gets boring at this point. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to be using mainly this palette today. Let's start with this brown. Just have it on a very fluffy brush and I'm just going to do like a shadow. I will add this green later, so I think having a little bit of brown, it will look very nice. Since I've removed my eyebrows, I don't even know where to put the eyeshadow anymore. Like, it goes so much higher, but I think it looks very nice because I can lift my eye a little bit, my hooded eyes, which this is definitely a tutorial for hooded eyes. Very blown out, kind of smoky. That always suits hooded eyes. I have this layer of brown now. I'm going to use this green from the palette. And for hooded eyes, you want to keep your eyes open and check if you can see the color here. Just look straight ahead in the mirror and follow along. If you want the color to be visible on the eyelid, because otherwise it won't be. If I would just put it on my eyelid, it would just disappear as soon as I open my eyes. I'm gonna take this brush again and just blend the edges. You want to blend for a while because I want this very blown out look. So not just 1, 2, 3 and done, but actually blend, blend, blend. If you lose some intensity in the color, you can just reapply. I forgot how good this green is. I think it matches my eyes. And before I move on to the lower lash line, I will use one of my favorite tricks ever, which is applying a highlighter with the same shade undertone into the inner corners. I'm just gonna do it with my finger. Look at that. This palette is amazing. If you don't have it, purchase, because this goes with everything. Look at the difference. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes because I'm going to do like a blown out lower lash line. So I need to conceal now. This will make me look so much better. I'm using the concealer also to kind of make a straight edge on the end. I will powder the under eye as well because I will be using black there, but not too close to the lash line because we'll be applying eyeshadow there. It won't stick. This is the time also when you can powder any other places. So I'm just gonna do my forehead, chin, and the top lip, and here. This is my go-to. I always powder this way. I will use a skin-toned pencil in a waterline and extend to each end. To each end? To either end? What's English? I don't English anymore, apparently. Did I ever English? What does that even mean? That just proves that I never Englished. I don't know what that means even. Hair out of the way. Extend right here and in the inner corner. Why? I have no idea. It's just my feelings today told me beige is the way to go. Hear me out. Now it's all in my eyelashes, I know, but okay, it will be fine. I lost my good eyeliner somewhere. I don't know where it is. I always do this. I always put stuff where it's not supposed to be and then I'm looking for it. Before I do the black on the lower lash line, I want to do the top with the eyeliner. I will see later on how this turns out, but for now, I want to do this. Okay, so I started this here and I'll blend out with black and see how it looks. For the black, my very loved and used palette, and I'm using a tiny brush with a small amount of black. I'm gonna just sketch across my lower lash line and I'm gonna extend here outward. Now when you can see the shape this starts to take, we can blend this black. I'm going to use a pencil brush with that black and smoke the S out of this. The same brush I used for the brown and just feather it out. I'm going to finish off with the liner. I'm gonna do here just to make it a straight edge, and then on the outer corner gonna be like a double wing situation. I'm going to go along the lower lash line also with the black, just to intensify. And I think I'm gonna make this a little thicker also. This pencil again, and just reapply on the outer corner, just to intensify that line. I want to do like a pinkish nude lip for this. I'm going to combine these two lip liners. This one is more of a pink. And this one I'll just use for definition outside. And now for the lipstick, I will use a pinkish nude color. I did more of a straight edge Cupid's bow because I actually don't know why. I thought maybe it will look better, and now I kind of like it. I always do round, but I kind of like it on me. And my dreaded eyebrow. I've been putting it off because lately, I don't know why, but I can't get them together. So I did a very, how I like to call it, a nice girl eyebrow, which is very like flat here and laid down. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Just apply mascara on the tips of the lower lashes. I think it will look weird if I go all the way because of that beige. This lash looks good with everything. It's just an Amazon box of lashes. It's probably the cheapest lashes you can get, but this particular one is so nice. I always want to merge the lashes with some mascara. It just looks more natural. Like this look is natural, but you know what I mean. The eyelashes look more natural. And I'm going to use the black again on the top of the lash line to mattify the lash glue and hide the lash bend a little bit. I'm going to use this contour shade or bronzer shade, but I'm gonna use it as contour. It's very light. I think for this look, I need to go a little light-handed on the contouring. I think I'm gonna use this blush. I think it's gonna brighten up the whole look. Okay, so I want to use it with brain. So not too much. I don't want to look like a clown. That might have already happened. I'm using it kind of downward instead of going all the way to the apples of the cheeks. I think that's enough blush. Now I will take this highlight shade and just sweep it across where I put the blush. This just gives like a sheen to the whole blush. I think I need to return to the black and just finish off this corner a little bit. So you could see where the eyeliner was starting, and I don't like that. I also extended the corners a little bit because I think that it completed the look nicely. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, and I'll see you next time.